basis in real time and in high definition. You must install the HD streaming software from motogp.tv.ms and foxsports.org. You can follow the link below, or you can directly type it in your browser. motogp.tv.ms and foxsports.org. This works on all devices and operating systems. Online TV streaming service by True Online TV and MS and foxsports.org, the internet leaders in direct satellite TV technology. You are seconds away from watching all the motor racing you want and so much more online. You can watch it on your PC, laptop, tablet, or mobile device. A single registration is all it takes to enjoy streaming this event on multiple devices. Let me repeat the website where you must register to avail this service: motogp.tv.ms and foxsports.org. You can click the link in the description area to visit this website.